Alright, so these are my tail lights. Super old, super ugly, and yeah, we're just gonna change them. So my tail lights are so dark to where I get pulled over probably once a week. So today I'm gonna redo it, take off the paint it again, just a few shades lighter. So let's do it. So first off, we have to take the panel off. Secondly, we gotta take 3 bolts. 1, 2, and there's one on top. Can't even see what I'm doing. There's one. Bro, why do I even have... Bro, I could just literally do this by freaking hand. Here's 2. So for the last 2, these plastic things over here, all you need to do is just yank them out. Like literally just pull them out. Just like that, and then you get to unscrew. So all you do, when the screws are out, just pull it out. Alright, they're both out. Now we take out the tint. So you're gonna need a few things. A towel, brake cleaner, masking tape, your tint, and clear coat. Brake cleaner, my man. These cops just suck my... Alright, let me give you an update. So, I finished cleaning the first taillight. I ran out of brake cleaner, so I got a new one. Let me go finish up the second taillight and then we'll start painting. When you reapply your tint, mask off the parts you don't want to tint. So for me, I don't want to paint the white part. So I'm going to mask it and then apply the first coat. After the lights are all masked up, take your paint and shake it. It's been about 10 minutes. We're going to put the second coat on. Alright, second coat is on. You can tell it's getting a little darker. That one is drying a lot faster than this one. I'm only going to put 2 coats on because I don't want it color dark. And then afterwards I'm going to hit it with the clear coat to have extra protection, if you know what I mean. Alright, I actually did 3 light coats, like super light. Right after you spray the clear coat, take off the tape. The reason why is because the paint's wet and there's no chance of the paint ripping on the sides where the tape meets the paint. Ooh, okay, dry. Next one. B-roll time. So before I turn on the car, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, let me know on my Instagram. If anything, I'll see you guys later.